This is a carrier gas pack. There appears to be water dripping out of the heat section right now. This is maybe heat. Just flamed out. You see that? Or hear it? I got my meter hooked up to the flame sense. 0 microamps. What if all the burners actually lit? Nothing. I didn't see all 3 burners light. Now we got some flame current. So we got dirty crossovers. That's apparently what the problem is here. Now we get to learn how to clean the crossovers on one of these gas packs. Disconnect these. Got this stupid zip tie. We'll remove the exhaust because it's in the way. I'm going to undo that union and unscrew the gas pipe. They make it pretty hard to get to the connections on the top of the gas valve in this unit. I want to take out that one screw. Now we can much more easily get to these connections. And you pull it out a little further, you can get the rollout switch. That's actually a self-resetting limit switch. It's all about safety. Now we can look in here and we can see how rusty the burners are. Mostly that one. You're supposed to have to undo this wire, but it undid itself. Screws to hold in the gas line. With those out, now you can just remove the burners, clean them however you see fit. How rusty that is. This is our main culprit right here. Here's how I'm going to clean this with a flathead screwdriver. Scraping all the rust that I can get off of this little cast iron piece in the middle. And most importantly, out of this groove right here. See? So it's nice and open now. That's how you want it to look. All clean. That's it. That's all there is to that. These are known as the crossovers. Their job is to let the flame travel from one burner to the next. You see that there's a little crossover burner between them. Then this burner over here mates up like this. Now if you fuck up and mount it like this, the crossovers will not work. And since Carrier's decided to start making each burner different, you got to pay close attention to that. And you saw that 5 microamps of flame current, and that flame sensor looks perfectly good. I'll give it a half-ass wiping off. It's okay, it doesn't even need that. So we take our first burner with a crossover on the side towards the other burners. We'll set it here. We'll take our middle burner with the open crossover on both sides. We'll put it here. We'll take our last burner with the closed end away from the other burners. We'll put it here. Now here's our burner assembly. with nice open crossovers all the way across. Igniter on this side, flame sensor on this side. Our burners should not have a problem with lighting all the way across anymore. Now we just put it back together. The burner assembly is back together. You got these two holes in the front of the burner assembly. They line up with these two screws here and here. Put it back together the opposite how we took it apart. Look up our rollout limit switch excuse thing. Hook up our gas valve. Maybe we can even securely connect the high since it wasn't before. Seconds. Push the little connector. Just have to line this up with those things. You see, Zorak, we're not interested. That's the only thing holding the burner assembly in place. Now we can reach in there and hook up our sparker and our flame sensor. Put our gas line and exhaust pipe back on. See this little thing I'm tightening? That's called a something. That's something that you get if a mechanical contractor type company installs your AC. You don't get that if an HVAC company with installers installs your AC. Just saying. Leak test complete. Now we just test the heat again and see if it works. And that's how you clean the crossover burners on a carrier gas pack.